There's a lot of elaborate instructions and techniques out there about how to make the perfect cup of coffee with a French press. Serious coffee snobs will insist that you need to hand grind coffee beans that were roasted by a sect of blind Indonesian monks or some equally pretentious nonsense. But if you're just a regular human like me, trying to drink a delicious cup of coffee in the morning but can't bring yourself to be hassled by 50 intricate steps, then this video is for you. And if you are a connoisseur who demands the most technically perfect cup of coffee achievable by man or science, well, you already know what you're doing and you wouldn't have clicked on this video in the first place. So let's make some coffee. Step 1. Heat up some water to about boiling, give or take. Step 2. Put between 6 and 12 tablespoons of ground coffee into the French press. The exact amount will depend on the strength of your coffee variety, the coarseness of the grind, and your personal preference. For medium coarse, pre-ground coffee, I think 6 tablespoons is perfect for my 1 liter French press. Step 3. Pour the hot water into the French press almost to the top. Step 4. Put the plunger and lid in place. While gently holding the lid down, slowly press the plunger until it's all the way to the bottom. Step 5. Pour yourself a cup. Or wait a couple minutes for it to steep some more and then pour a cup. It's up to you. The difference will be nearly indistinguishable to your taste buds. And that's it. The entire process takes about 5 minutes, and most of that is waiting for the water to boil. If you've never used a French press before, get ready to have the best cup of coffee you've ever made, even without all the pretentious extra steps. And by the way, for comparison, here's the list of steps as recommended by the so-called French press experts. I'm not trying to earn my doctorate in chemistry, and I'm not entertaining the Queen of France, so this all seems a little unnecessary, if not ridiculous to me. That's it for now. Be sure to like and subscribe for more DIY videos in the future.